Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to connect Zoho MCP server to Google's Antigravity IDE and enhance the AI agent with Catalyst agent skills and then use a single prompt to build and deploy a complete CRM app. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what Zoho MCP is. Zoho MCP enables you to instantly transform your business applications into intelligent, agent-ready systems that can think, act and respond like a teammate, not just a tool. It connects large language models like GPT, Claude to Zoho's APIs, data models, and business actions, giving AI agents the context and access capabilities they need to turn natural language instructions into real actions across your applications. So, in this video, we'll be using Catalyst MCP server. Once that is connected, the AI can do much more than generating code. It can directly interact with your Catalyst project to create data store tables, deploy functions, manage project resources, and automate development tasks all through in prompt. The first step is to create a Zoho MCP server. Once your server is created, you will receive an MCP endpoint URL like this. To create it, here I've already created a Catalyst test server. If you want to create it new, you can click on create MCP server and then here you can give a name and create it. So if you want to add tools, go here, please check for Catalyst, and for now I'm adding all the tools that are necessary. If you want, you can just select whichever tools you want and whichever actions you need. For now I'm adding all the tools. That's it. This URL is what we'll use to connect our Catalyst project to other LLMs, and for now you can check Claude, Cursor, Windsurf, VS Code. We have a button here and then the instructions are given here. For now, to connect with Antigravity IDE, we'll use the JSON config snippet given here. We have to copy it and use it in our Antigravity IDE. So we'll now connect Zoho MCP server with our Antigravity. Here click on customization, MCP servers, and please go into manage MCP servers. Inside the raw config file, paste the code snippet, save it, and come back to manage MCP servers. Give a quick refresh. We can see our MCP connected here with all the tools that we have enabled in the Zoho MCP while creating the Zoho MCP server, and now our MCP server is up and running. Now we'll quickly set up our Catalyst project. So we have to create a new project. Once signed up, you will be redirected to this page where you can have created few projects here. You can create a new project by clicking here, give it a name and click on create. I've created the CRM Catalyst project here, and we'll now set up this in our CLI. We have to give the command catalyst init, and from the already created project we'll be using the CRM Catalyst 1, and then we'll be clicking on functions and Slate. For now we'll be using advanced IO functions, and for the language we'll use Node.js 24 and index. Just the name. If you want, you can rename the files. Click on yes, and it will ask you to select the framework for a Slate setup for our front-end hosting. I'm going to use create a React app. If you want any other thing like Angular or Astro, please click on that. And with this, our setup is now complete. We are good to open this in our Antigravity IDE. Our AI assistant can now communicate directly with the Catalyst project through the setup, um, our MCP, Zoho MCP server. The next setup is to add Catalyst agent skills. These skills provide the AI with Catalyst specific knowledge and workflows, enabling it to build applications following the Catalyst best practices. Um, let's just copy this command, and in the terminal of our Antigravity IDE, we'll run this command. That's it. We'll have to simply paste this and execute it. Once these commands are installed, once the AI skill set is installed, these skills become available to our AI agent automatically. Now comes the exciting part. So let's ask the AI to build a CRM application for us. We'll use one prompt. I have the prompt ready here. And let's see how it creates tables directly, accessing your files, and using Catalyst data store service, and then deploying it directly in Slate without any manual work. So now our app is ready. Through the MCP server, it created the required data source table automatically. If you can see here inside a project, if you go inside Cloud Scale, you can see the tables created, and inside serverless function, you can see the backend code and everything up and running here. So, and then finally it deployed it in Slate. So within few moments, we have a working CRM application with its database, backend services, front end, and everything all created from a single prompt. This is where the combination of Zoho MCP and Catalyst agent skills becomes incredibly powerful. The MCP server gives the AI the access to go inside a Catalyst environment, while the agent skills guides it with specific Catalyst specific workflows and best practices. Together, they allow the AI to go beyond code generation and actually build, configure, and deploy applications for you. And that's it. Let's just do a quick recall of what we did in this video.